Okay guys, split in two groups. Ciervo playero in one corner, Suki no Kage in the other corner, please. Thanks. And now I gave you some extra info to help you to make the assessment that the groups will have to do it. Okay?
Okay, the battle of today is with Gold Crucial and Juliet. Yeah? Wallet, the first one is for you. Okay? In which century was the photography created? Is the 80th? Are you sure? I resolve it? Alright. Good work. Whoa! Amazing hit. You are a nice kick-ass hitter. Okay, Gerard. Then now it's for you. Who took the first picture? Diane Arbus, Louis Daguerre, Nicephore Niepce, or Ansel Adams?
Nicephore.